Hey everyone, welcome to the course Warehouse Design and Operational Diagnostics. Over the next couple of minutes and over the duration of this course, we will be walking through what are the different warehouse operational best practices and what kind of diagnostics must be performed even before we get into designing a warehouse, and also understanding the data elements that go into it. We will then look into what are the key data elements, methodologies, and KPIs that must be considered for designing an optimal warehouse. The course is broken down into the following lessons. Firstly, we will understand the importance of designing and optimizing a warehouse space and steps to get there. Secondly, we will be discussing what is a value stream map and its importance in a warehouse with a simple exercise. In the third lesson, we will be discussing the performance and the benefits of an audit gap analysis and look at the steps that must be followed to design or optimize a warehouse layout. Next, we will be getting into what are some of the key data elements that is absolutely essential to quantify the analysis and design a layout. Lastly, we will discuss how to design a warehouse and make it more convenient. We will walk through a use case to understand what are the elements that were considered and some of the key performance indicators that is generally used to analyze and draw insights from the data. For the ease of understanding, we will use a sample case study to walk through this as an example. I'm Shimon, a professional experience spanning across strategic, operational, and tactical supply chain. My first professional experience was actually within the four walls of a warehouse in a third-party logistics, where I was responsible for multiple duties such as creating SOPs, performing and quantifying data by implementing time and motion study. And I also played the role of a business analyst by creating a dashboard customized to reflect the KPIs for each viewer's requirement. I have visited numerous warehouses throughout my careers and performed operation and design diagnostics and performed improvisation recommendations. I have always believed that as a supply chain professional, one truly gains appreciation for this field while working on a pure warehouse design project. This is not only because we are closely observing the critical role a warehouse plays in a supply chain and how seamlessly that is a collaboration between your people, objects, and system, but also how a certain single hiccup can really stop the entire flow and cause jeopardy. So the biggest takeaway from this course for you will be to understand that though the specific detail of each warehouse design is different from the other, the broader approach or thought process towards optimizing the warehouse and the elements that comprise and go into it would still be the same. So without any further ado, let's get started. Also, for more interesting supply chain content, do not forget to go subscribe to SCMDOJO. Thank you. I'll see you in lesson 1.